Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to silence text messages from certain people on your iPhone. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it or follow the channel, and let's get started. So here are my messages on my iPhone. You can see I get lots of kind of automated messages from different sources, and one of them is this reminder from New England Duckless: a technician will be arriving tomorrow. And I found out that sometimes when there's these automated texts, they keep on dinging throughout the day. I don't like that, so I'm going to turn this audible notification off. So first of all, open up the message thread by just tapping it. And you'll see that there is at the top, there's an icon for the person as well as a telephone number. So just tap the telephone number gently and you'll see the three options: audio, FaceTime, and info. Tap the info icon, which looks like the letter I, and you'll see there's a toggle at the bottom that says hide alerts. So tap that. Okay, and then tap done. Now, when you go back to the list of the different people who are texting you, you will see that for this particular company, there's a little moon symbol next to the next to their messages, and that means the next time that they text me, I won't hear any audible notification or see any notification on my screen. However, the message will still show up and it will be marked as unread until I actually open it up. So it's not destroying the messages or trashing them. It's just making them quiet and not activating the notification, which is what I want. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guide signing off. Thank you so much for watching.